In today's lesson we're going outside. I'm taking a walk to see what metals I can find. I'm going to look for signs of corrosion, any oxidized metals and any methods that people have used to try and stop oxidation or corrosion of these metals. So a lot of the corrosion that I've seen today has been in the form of rust. This is a special type of oxidation reaction where the iron in steel react with oxygen that's in the air to form iron oxide. Now this only happens in the presence of water. It doesn't have to be a really wet place like this. In this country we've got enough water, moisture in the air that we breathe day to day to cause this oxidation reaction. And so a lot of the protection methods that we see used are to form a barrier either between the iron and the oxygen or the iron and the water. One method you may have seen before is this product called WD-40. The WD actually stands for water dispersant, and it was invented towards the end of the Second World War, and the whole purpose of this was to prevent the rusting of missiles, and I'll show you what happens to it when it's sprayed onto water. You can see when the WD-40 is sprayed onto the wet glass that the water droplets start to disperse and spread out. This can be really useful after you've washed your bike and you've got a wet chain. You don't want it to rust, so you spray it here before you place the oil on there. Another old-fashioned way of reducing rust is just by adding some oil. So here I am doing my annual oiling of the hinges. This forms a barrier so no oxygen or water can come into contact with the iron. Now it's your turn. I want you to go and see if you can find any metals. Look for signs of corrosion and especially look for any signs that people have tried to stop rusting taking place. If you can't go outside, I'm sure you can still look around the classroom or look around your house to see if you can find metals being used there as well. Try and record all of your notes into a really neat table and show some diagrams or take photographs. Make sure you upload these to show my homework. Okay, it's enough from me. Go and get on with some work. Bye bye.